नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस में। आज मैं लेके आया हूँ स्टैंड अकाउंटेंट टेस्ट सीरीज़। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं 25 इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू जो आने वाली सहायक लेखाकार की परीक्षा के लिए आपके लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। दोस्तों, साथ ही साथ मैं उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान और उत्तराखंड सामान्य हिंदी की टेस्ट सीरीज़ अपलोड करता हूँ, आप उसे ज़रूर फॉलो करें। और डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल है, उसे ज़रूर ज्वाइन करें। वहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं डेली करंट अफेयर और इम्पॉर्टेंट जीएस। दोस्तों, अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चन में कन्फ्यूज़न है तो आप कमेंट के माध्यम से हमें ज़रूर पूछें, हम आपको उसका आंसर देंगे। तो दोस्तों, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको मिलती रहे उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस की तरफ से सारी अपडेट्स। तो शुरू करते हैं टेस्ट सीरीज। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ डिवेंचर होल्डर्स आर। दोस्तों, आपको ऑप्शन रीड करने हैं और फिर मैं आंसर दूंगा। And the answer is debenture holder are creditor of company. The next question is debenture indicate the and the answer is debenture indicate long term borrowings of company. The next question is in debenture interest payable is and the answer is charge against the firm's profit. The next question is the owner of debenture is qualified for and the answer is fixed rate interest. Debenture holder get fixed rate of interest. The next question is on company liquidation the principal amount of debenture is returned and the answer is before equity capital. The next question is which of the following mentioned statement is not true? Read the statement carefully and answer. And the answer is the issue price and redemption value of debenture cannot be differ. The next question is point out the false statement. Read the statement, pause the video and then answer. And the answer is business can issue debentures with voting rights. The next question is which option are not a feature of bearer debenture? And the answer is transfer of bearer debenture required transfer deed. The next question is debenture application account is form of and the answer is personal account. The next question is the form of discount on issue of debenture is in the nature of and the answer is capital loss. The next question is to start a partnership business what should be the minimum number of partners? And the answer is 2. The next question is what type of agreement is used to form partnership business? And the answer is written or oral agreement. The next question is in partnership partners liabilities are and the answer is unlimited. The next question is a partnership firm examined as an individual a legal entity? And the answer is no. The next question is What is the interest on drawings? And the answer is debited to the partner's current account. The next question is, what is the partnership written agreement known as? And the answer is, it is known as partnership deed. The next question is, no partnership agreement, what will be the percentage of profit sharing ratio between them? And the answer is equal. Which is not a feature of partnership business? And the answer is limited liability. The next question is, which kind of partnership one partner has unlimited liability and other partner have limited liability? And the answer is limited partnership. The next question is, which type of partnership have no agreement in term of duration of partnership? And the answer is partnership at will. The next question is, trial balance is used to check the accuracy of. And the answer is ledgers account balances. The next question is, in the books of account, if a transaction is completely detected, which will it affect the total balance? And the answer is no. What is used in preparation of trial balance? And the answer is ledgers account. The next question is, which what is the trial balance used? And the answer is it record balance of accounts. The next question is, when debit balance is equal to balance, then the trial balance mean. And the answer is mathematically capital plus liability equal to assets. The next question is, when is the balance prepared? When is trial balance prepared? And the answer is at the end of accounting period. The next question is, which item influence the trial balance agreement? And the answer is partial omission of transaction. The next question is, when credit balance equal to debit balance, the trial balance checks and show it also indicate that there were no error made during posting and recording. The answer is arithmetic accuracy. Which of the following account with the normal balance is shown at the debit side of trial balance? And the answer is cash account. The next question is, in trial balance, which accounts with normal balance is recorded at the credit side? And the answer is accrued expenses account. तो यो दोस्तों, ये था असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज़। आई होप आपको पसंद आई हो। प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको मिलती रहे उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस की तरफ से सारी अपडेट। दोस्तों, साथ ही साथ हमारी उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान की सीरीज़ को आप ज़रूर फॉलो करें, वो आने वाली उत्तराखंड की परीक्षाओं के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। साथ ही साथ फॉरेस्ट गार्ड का जो रिज़ल्ट के संबंधित अभी एक अखबार में आया था, तो दोस्तों फिजिकल की तैयारी करते रहिए, कभी भी वो फिजिकल हो सकता है। अब रिज़ल्ट ही आएगा, पेपर कैंसिल होने की जो संभावना बड़ी कम है। तो दोस्तों प्रिपेयर करते रहिए और पढ़ते रहिए उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस। थैंक यू।